Thandi niateaniirie Cira uria urahanditwo wa gutetia mubango wa kuhe Arutwo Irio thiinii wa kaunti ino. Mugure ateteire itua riri na kugo ni kuiga ciana cia thukuru ugwati-ini wa ng'aragu kuona ihinda riri thogora wa muturire wabatirite na uria uracungirira ciana nyingi kurara itarite thiinii wa micii yao. Gavana wa Nairobi Johnson Sakaja augite mubango uyu ni ugakorwo ukirugurio tariki 28 mweri uyu toria mundu gwitwo Mubi wa Munyiri aratariria.
Mucirithania wa igoti inene Mugure Thandi ni arutite itua riake hari cira uria urahanditwo thiinii wa igoti riri wa gutetia mubango wa thirikari ya kaunti ya Nairobi Arutwo Irio thiinii wa macukuru. Thandi gwika uu ni kuiga ugwati-ini amite micii itehotete na iria igomeirwo ni ng'aragu.
Be interrogated by this court, and this can only be done at the hearing of the petition. The justice of the case requires that the petition is heard and determined expeditiously. To suspend the program,
Tumatariirie mubango uyu wandikite wira Kenya makiria ya 289.
The court has said in no uncertain terms that the best interest of the children is what the governor has looked out for, and it has declined to do that. We have been given directions. We will come back to deal with the main matter, but the best news that we have received is that these children will continue receiving this very important nutritional supplement.
Gavana Sakaja akiaria na andiki a mohoro nja wa igoti riri ereire aciari a arutwo aria magunikaga na mubango uyu ni eguthii na mbere kuuruirira kuona ona mwana agakuci-ini muciari ena mwihoko mwana wake ni akaria kindu cukuru. Ongereire na kuga ni magakorwo makiruguria mubango uyu tariki 28 mweri uyu.
Many of our children, there are harsh economic times. We have sat down, we've planned, we've worked together with national government to take this burden away from our parents, so that in the Bill of Rights, in Article 53, and the children have a right to food and to nutrition. I'm happy that the court has refused to stop this program. We are already progress. We're building the kitchens that we're going to launch on the 28th of August. The process is going on.
Riu cira uyu urariirio tariki 23 mweri ukite kuria miena yeri yathitwo gutengemania macokio mao.
all responses shall be filed and served by the 4th of August 2023. Please note that all documents exceeding 50 pages are to be supplied in hard copies.
Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV, njitagwo Mubi wa Munyiri.
Thengio muno mundu gwitwo Mubi wa Munyiri ni undu wa riboti iyo tugukorwo tukirikiria oro hanini ndokorwo ugithie haraya ni amu nigukorwo ngicokereria tuthie na mbere na kuona uria bururi witu watindia.